Good morning, everyone. I am Bhuvan. We are discussing, we have completed the chapter ratio and proportion, and in this class, we are going to start the chapter of symmetry. Okay, in this class, we'll be seeing what is symmetry, what are the types of symmetries, and in various ways, in how many types there will be the symmetry, in various shapes, what is the symmetry we'll be seeing. So first, what is a symmetry? We'll be seeing what is a symmetry. Symmetry is when an object has two or more equal sides when split in half or smaller pieces. Okay, see now we'll be seeing one experiment. With that, we'll be understanding what is a symmetry. Okay, so the symmetry means splitting the object into the half and finding it. Okay, in the simpler terms, we'll be telling symmetry in such that way. Okay, now in a complicated way. Okay, so in the simple way, we'll be telling the symmetry in such way. Okay, see. Now, now I will show you. See, now this is a paper. Okay, now this is a paper. Okay, they will be asking how many lines of symmetry it will be. So for that, how to find by see. Now we are joining the paper by the center. See, we'll be joining by the centers and we'll be folding. Okay, and we have folded the paper. Okay, this is known as symmetry. Now, if we open, the both the sides, can you see? The both the sides will be of equal. So that is known as symmetry, and the line here, that is known as line of symmetry. Okay, if they draw a line, the two sides will be equal, then it is known as a symmetry. And in this we had a picture of tiger. Okay, can you see? We know tiger is a national animal of India. Okay, see, we have tiger, and they had drawn the tiger like this. So the equal, this side portion and this side portion is equal. So they had said the tiger has one line of symmetry. Now see, if you draw the line like this, okay, so this side is not equal to this side. So this is not the line of symmetry, but this is line of symmetry. Okay, so what is a symmetry? When an object is divided into two, the both the sides are equal. Okay, or we can tell symmetry is when an object has two or more equal sides when split into the halfer or smaller pieces. Okay, so let us see. Okay, so here, what is a line of symmetry? A shape has line of symmetry if one half of it is mirror images of each other. Mirror image of each other. So, what is a mirror image? If you stand in a mirror, you can see yourself. So, your image is in the mirror. So, both is same image. So, if you draw a line of symmetry and show this image to the mirror, the same image you will get. So that the both sides will be having equal size. It indicates that if you show a hand, you will be showing that the mirror, the hand will be shown. Okay, so symmetry means two sides equal. If one you show, we will be getting the same only, but that will be equal to the other side. So this is known as the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry means a line which is drawn in which the both the sides will be equal. The both the sides will be equal. Then the line will be called as line of symmetry. We can tell it in this way also. A shape has a line symmetry, that is a line of symmetry, when one half of it is the mirror image of other half. Or the mirror images of other half. See, now we have a picture here. This is an house. See, now we had drawn the line of symmetry here. We had drawn the line of symmetry. Now, see, this line of symmetry and this part will be equal to this part, right? So this is the symmetry. This object has symmetry, and this line is known as line of symmetry. Okay, and this object is known as line of symmetry. So what is a line of symmetry? If an object is divided into two, the line between, see, when an object on the left side and the right side, if we draw a line, the left side should be equal to the right side, then the line is said to be line of symmetry. Okay, and the next, see, we'll be see, here we'll be seeing about the line of symmetry. Okay, so here the line of symmetry is a line that divides a figure into two halves that are mirror images of each other. Anything same. Shapes may have several lines of symmetry. Here they had shown an oval. If we draw like this, suppose, if we draw a line of symmetry, then this side will be like this, and this side also will be like this only. So both the sides will be same. If you draw like this, the upper part and the lower part will be equal. So this figure has two lines of symmetry. And here, see, we have a square. So if you draw first a line like this, okay, so this part will be equal to this part, and if you draw a line like this, see, this part will be equal to this part, and if you draw a line like this triangle will be equal to this triangle, the same line. These are the diagonals. So how many lines of symmetry does the square has? The square has 1, 2, 3, 4. The square has 4 lines of symmetry. We'll be seeing all the shapes in detail. Okay, so let us go to the next slide. This is the slide of the basic types of symmetry. The vertical line symmetry and the horizontal line of symmetry. These are the basic lines of symmetry. What are the basic line types of symmetry? Vertical line symmetry, horizontal line symmetry. See, this spider is divided into the symmetrical line is vertical, and here the symbol is horizontal symmetry it contains. So here this image has two lines of symmetry. That is how to find. See, this butterfly. See, this butterfly, if like this you draw, this half will be equal to this half, and if you draw like this also, we'll be getting an symmetry. So we'll be getting a symmetry of what? See, here the wings are like this. Here the wings are like this. So only one line of symmetry is possible. This butterfly has only one line of symmetry. And Taj Mahal, see, Taj Mahal, we can divide it like this. See, so this side, how to confirm it? Here one term is there. Here same one term. See, here we have this. Same impression. Otherwise, if we draw like this, we know in Taj Mahal before a lake, backside it is a Yamuna lake will be there. The impression will be falling in the lake also. Okay, the impression will be falling in the lake. We can see the Taj Mahal in the river also. So the Taj Mahal will be having two lines of symmetry. So what are the two lines of symmetry in Taj Mahal? Like this. One line of symmetry. The Taj Mahal has two lines of symmetry. Okay. So these are some examples of the finding lines of symmetry. If you do a lot of sums, you will be getting clear. So symmetry with alphabets. Why alphabets cannot have symmetry? Alphabets also can have symmetry. See, A has one line of symmetry. M, one line of symmetry. U, vertical line of symmetry. W, vertical line of symmetry. E, horizontal line of symmetry. B, like that. All the letters will be there. See, now in this we will be using all the letters. A, one line of symmetry. B, one line. C, D, E also one line. F we can't. G also no line of symmetry. And H also we have two lines of symmetry. Like this half, this half. I, like this you can draw. I also has two lines of symmetry. J no, K no, L no, M center. A also at center. D but horizontal. C correct. D, E, N we don't know. And O is the special case. We'll be having n number lines of symmetry. Oh, wait, I will be explaining. Why in the upcoming things you'll be understanding. Q, if you draw like this, no, like this, no. Yes, also, it will be mirror image, but it can't be a symmetrical line like this. Z cannot. Y, X, we have two lines. W, U, V. Okay. So these are the symmetrical lines in the alphabets. See here. The square has four lines of symmetry. We had already discussed in the case of square. We had already discussed in the color of, in the shape of square. See like this. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute, I'll draw it again. Okay, this is a square, and we will be having one line of symmetry. We'll be having a line of symmetry, another line, another line. We'll be having four lines of symmetry. So a square will be having four lines of symmetry. And the circle has infinite, means now we'll be having the center point, and we know from the center point to the radius and the opposite also radius. Okay, so if we can draw any number of diameters through circle that we had discussed in the chapter 5. So the diameter acts as a line of symmetry in the circle. So the circle can have n lines of symmetry. Okay, see, so that only in the case of the letter O, we'll be having infinite number of symmetry. Infinite means the number of, see, the rectangle has two lines of symmetry, horizontal and vertical line of symmetry the rectangle will have. Next, find the number of lines of symmetry. This is a small question. We'll be seeing the answers also. See, this is an equilateral triangle. So first, what is the condition of equilateral triangle? If this side is A, all the sides will be equal. So if all the sides will be equal, now if you half it like this, okay, it will be, this will be equal to this line, and automatically the sides are equal. So both the sides will be equal, and this acts as a lines of symmetry, and this two and one more line. There will be three lines of symmetry in equilateral triangle. And in a square, we had already seen one, two, three, four. Four lines of symmetry will be having in a square. In a rectangle, in the last thing itself, we had shown two lines of symmetry, horizontal and vertical. Okay. So next, isosceles triangle. The condition of the isosceles triangle, the up to the first two sides are equal and the last side is not equal. So in such a case, there will be only a one line of symmetry. There will be a one line of symmetry. Now AA, this line will be equal to this line. So these two. Okay, see, if you draw like this, suppose this part A and here this two will be equal, that is no problem. So this part is B. A is not equal to B. So this line is not a line of symmetry. If we draw like this also, it's no line of symmetry. Only in triangle, the equilateral will be having three lines of symmetry, isosceles one line of symmetry, and scalene will be having zero lines of symmetry. Okay, this is the important point. And in the circle, we'll be having n number of symmetries because the diameter acts as a radius. Sorry, diameter acts as a line of symmetry. There will be a number of diameters can be drawn from the center of the circle. See, I can draw n number of diameters. The each and every diameter acts as a line of symmetry. Scalene. We had shown scalene has zero lines of symmetry. This is a small thing. Symmetrical. See now, we have this part common to this part. So this is symmetrical and this is asymmetrical. Symmetrical means if an object has a symmetry, that is known as symmetrical object. If an object does not have a symmetry, that is known as asymmetrical object. The next, what we'll be seeing about the reflection. What is a reflection? Like the mirror image. The mirror image or reflection both will be the same in case of maths. Okay, see. Now we have a mirror. If you can see, you will be introversion. So, one example I will be giving you. In the ambulance, you know that the letters will be written in the mirror image. If the M, see now, wait, see, like this. It will be writing if B in the ambulance, it will be writing like this. In the ambulance, it will be written like this. Why? If from far, we'll be having a mirror in the glass in the car or bike. If we see, due to the mirror image, if we see directly, it will be in the reverse. But if you see in the mirror, for us, it will be clearly shown that ambulance. Because in the patients will be there, we have to give way to the ambulance. And here, reflection. The line symmetry and mirror reflection are naturally related to each other and linked to each other. Here is a picture showing the reflection of the English letter M. You can imagine that the mirror is invisible. You can just see the letter M and its D. The letter M and the mirror image will be the letter W. Like this, if the mirror will be like this. So this is the case of reflection. To reflect an object means to produce its mirror image. Okay. Every reflection has a mirror line. That is this line. This is known as a mirror line. And the reflection B is backward as E. So in the reflection, kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope. This is a toy. All the children will be using it. It will be very nice. Like this, it will be there. We'll be rotating it. Then the designs will be formed. How it is formed? Inside there will be three mirrors like this. See, it will be a triangle shaped. Three mirrors will be kept like this, and some glitter will be poured inside it. So when we rotate, due to the reflection of the glitters on the mirrors, okay, so the design will be formed. It will be very nice. Okay, see, the what is kaleidoscope? Uses mirror to produce images that have several lines of symmetry. Usually two mirrors from V-shaped are used. The angle between the mirror determines the number of lines of symmetry. This is the kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope. This is the image. See, such a design will be formed. This is nice, no? See, these are the glitters used. It will be in the shape of circle or it is in the shape of triangle also. There is a prism. Now, we have some questions. Can you draw a triangle which has exactly one line of symmetry? We know isosceles triangle has one line of symmetry. Two lines of symmetry? How many triangles we have? Isosceles, equilateral, scalene. That's it. So, in the base of sides only we have to take, angles we should not consider. So, equilateral has three sides, isosceles one side, scalene 0. But we do not have two lines of symmetry in the triangle. So, first one it is isosceles. The first one, isosceles. First one it is, the answer is isosceles. Exactly two lines of symmetry. No, there is a no triangle. And three lines means equilateral. Okay, the three lines of symmetry will be having equilateral triangle, and the no lines of symmetry means the scalene triangle. Okay, so these are the answers. What we have discussed, we'll be revising it once. A figure will be having a line guiding. See, a figure has line of symmetry if the line can be drawn by dividing the figure into two identical parts. This line is known as line of symmetry. A figure may have no line of symmetry, only one line of symmetry, two lines of symmetry, or multiple lines of symmetry. Here are some examples. No line of symmetry, scalene, one line of symmetry, isosceles, two lines of symmetry, rectangle, three lines of symmetry, equilateral, four lines of symmetry, square, five lines of symmetry, regular pentagon, six lines of symmetry, regular hexagon. Okay, like that. Okay, the line symmetry is closely related to mirror reflection. When the dealing with mirror reflection, we have to take account the left changes right. See, in the mirror, if you show right hand, the mirror will be showing left hand. Okay, but for us, it will be like it is showing right hand only. Okay, see. Okay, so this chapter is a very easy chapter and a very interesting chapter also. So what is a symmetry? A symmetry means if we divide an object into half, into two parts, both the parts are identical, that is it, that object has symmetry. Even both the objects are not equal, that is having no symmetry, unsymmetrical object. Okay, and what is a line of symmetry? If you draw a line, the both are identical, the two identical parts will be produced, that is known as the line will be acting as a line of symmetry. Okay, and the next we had seen about how the symmetries are there in alphabets, shapes. Okay, and what are the basic types of symmetry? Vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry. And next we had seen about the reflection. and the mirror image. Okay, in the mirror image. And next we had seen about the kaleidoscope. The kaleidoscope axis in three, it will be having a 3 lines of symmetry, and it will be forming a designs using the reflections and with the property of symmetry, and it will be very nice design. We had seen also the pictures and we had solved some examples. Okay, now this class ends as well as this lesson ends. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts in the exercise, you can post me and I will be answering for the questions. Thank you. Let's meet next.